Hi everyone and welcome to Hulk. On this journey of learning full stack web development, we have covered a lot in detail. I trust that in the coming months you will continue putting in the same dedication as I have. There are many exciting tools and technologies waiting for us to explore. Before we dive into this next chapter, let's discuss some key points that will be valuable throughout this journey. These messages are here to support you whether you are starting the code or feeling discouraged by errors and bugs. Remember, there will be challenges and details to manage. Don't worry, we will address those later in a helpful video. The first message I would like to give you is about the importance of consistency. We have to maintain consistent practice time while learning Hulk. As a student, you might also be facing final exams at college. Don't worry about exam pressure. Focus on maintaining consistency. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes daily to studying specific topics and practice coding regularly. This consistent effort will be more beneficial than last minute cramming. For most students, consistent hard work is the key to overcoming any backlogs. At some point, we all realize that discipline is crucial when starting something new, but once we embark on our journey, consistency and discipline become the fuel that keeps us moving forward. That's why to maintain consistency you have to complete all the tasks, and to maintain discipline one thing you have to do is fix your time. Fixing your time means that you should try to find 3 to 4 hours from your individual schedule that you can dedicate to your development journey. Set aside those hours and commit to sitting down during that time to continue your development journey. This will lead to even more discipline when we know that we have a specific task to do within a certain time frame. A mental trigger is created in our minds that tells us that we need to finish those tasks by that time. And if you do the same thing repeatedly every day, it will become a habit, and coding will become a habit. And sooner you make coding a habit, the better our skill development will be. So, what should we remember here? Consistency and discipline are the key to everything. So, we need to keep putting in the same consistent effort with the Hulk. And the second thing I want to talk to you about is obstacles. Now, our coding journey is not just about development. Whether you are learning a new language, data structures, algorithms, machine learning, or anything else, you will encounter errors in all types of coding. You will encounter exceptions, bugs, and problems. But a good programmer, a good coder, and a good developer is someone who knows how to solve their own problems. From our school days until now, we have developed the habit of relying on our parents or teachers to solve our own problems. And definitely, here too, you will have many resources, but in the end, a problem solving mindset is the one that takes charge of solving its own problems. We should not wait for someone else to come and solve our problems or simply hand us ready made solutions. In real life programming, when you are building your own projects or working within companies, a problem solving mindset is crucial. So, we will start building that mindset with the Hulk. Having a problem solving mindset means being able to fix any issue that comes up, whether it's code that doesn't work as expected, encountering errors during installation, or any other technical hurdle. So when problems arise, the first thing is not to panic. Millions of developers and coders before you have attempted the same task, whether it's writing their first HTML code or something else. They have encountered similar problems along the way, and it's by facing these challenges that they have reached their current level of expertise. So you will be facing the same problems, you will be solving the same problems. The more problems you encounter, the more new problems you will tackle, the more novel solution you will discover, and the more you will grow into a better developer and programmer. Now, when problems arise, they can take many forms. For instance, a problem could be as simple as mistyping ABCD from a lecture note into your code. Even a small difference like lowercase a versus uppercase A can cause errors in your code. Therefore, the first thing to do is to watch the lectures carefully. Do not make basic mistakes while typing the code. In other words, don't capitalize lowercase letters and don't lowercase capital letters. If we implement these basic things, we will have much fewer errors. The second thing we need to implement is that errors can occur during installation or while doing something else depending on your system's basis. If there is a difference between your and your friend's Windows system, then many students working on multiple devices. So in that case, if we get an error, bug or exception while installing something, running something or searching for something, then we don't have to panic about it. In this case, we have to do one thing that many developers sitting in companies also do when they face errors, that is to Google things. Now this might sound new to you, but it's a reality. When a coder or developer encounters a lot of problems on a daily basis, the easiest solution is usually to find them by Googling. So, whatever error, exception, or problem you encounter, the easiest way to fix it is to copy the error message, go to Google, and paste it in. When we search on Google, we will find many different links, and within those links, there will be many solutions to the possible problems we are facing. And there is a website where you will find the solutions to the most common problems you will encounter, and this website is called Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is a popular website. You will find solutions to most of the problems you will face during your development journey on Stack Overflow. So don't be afraid of problems. Don't sit back and think that you are doomed now that you have problems. Actively approach the problem like a soldier and try to solve it and find a solution. So these are two messages I wanted to give you before you start your journey. Remember to be consistent and disciplined, and secondly, face your problems head on and don't be afraid of them. The more problems you solve, the better and more skilled you will become as a professional developer.